a new video today, but before we get into actual video, quick announcement. So I've been working on this TRAPSOUL RnB loop kit. It's called the Serenity loop kit. Gonna do a quick preview of the kit right now. It's gonna be 10 TRAPSOUL RnB melody loops, and there's 5 drum loops as well in the kit. But yeah, so just do a quick preview of it right now. This is the loop from the last video. I'm pretty proud of these, honestly. I've been putting a lot of effort into this, so I'm very happy to be putting this out. This is the one I'm going to be breaking down today. April 7th, Serenity loop kit. But yeah, so let's get into this breakdown. Alright, so this is the final loop. Play it first and then break down individual sounds, and then get into the drums afterwards. So yeah, pretty ambient, pretty simple. Didn't go too crazy with it, but yeah, let's get into this breakdown. So first thing I did was I got this like arpeggiated chord progression, and this is from OVO40's sound bank in Contact. This is the Cambridge Legion piano, and this pattern sounds like this. So yeah, it's just like a arpeggiated pattern going up the scale. Scale is G minor, so I'm literally just going up, and that's it. Second sound we got, I literally just layered the first pattern with another sound. Again, this is from 40's very own Keys. This is the bass tump preset. It is a bass preset, but I thought it went well with the other pattern, so I ended up using a bass. If it sounds good, then, you know, who cares what kind of preset it is. But those two together sound like this. Just creating a little bit more depth Okay, so I think after that I did the actual bass, which again, this is from 40's very own keys, bass guitar preset. Yeah, this is just following the root note of the progression. But yeah, so the bass with the original two sounds. Fire. And then lastly, I got this lead that I put in. Again, 40's very own keys. I think I just bought this plugin at the time that I made this, so I just wanted to stick with it, and honestly all the sounds go great together, so yeah. But this is 40's Justice preset, and yeah, sounds like this. Found this percussion loop from Producer Grind Aurora drum kit, and I just reversed it, give it a bit of a different effect. And then I just added this accent, pitched it so it was in the right key, and then so that hits on the 1, and then I just reversed it to kind of swell into the next section. So yeah, just makes nice transition. And then the last thing I added was these vocals from Producer Grind Picturesque kit. And yeah, and this is the final loop. But yeah, let's get into the drums. First thing that I did was just cut out the stems, and then I actually reversed it, so just gives it a completely different vibe, honestly. I could hear someone like Drizzy on this. So yeah, I just wanted to keep the drums very simple. First thing that I did was got this rim shot, and this is a classic like Drake bounce. So just thought it went well with the melody. Do the kick next, get that you know, Drake bounce going. just added simple 2-step hi-hat pattern with a little roll at the end just for slight variation, keep it interesting. And then yeah, just added open hat. Yeah, literally just one hit, and then this percussion on the second rim shot, just for a little bit of ear candy, and that's pretty much it, honestly. Oh, and then there's the second open hat, this pattern. But yeah, this is what all the drums together sound like. So yeah, really simple. Melody's doing a lot of the work, honestly. Drums are just there to give it some rhythm. But yeah, this is the final beat. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Serenity TRAPSOUL RnB drum kit, Loopkit, dropping April 7th. This loop, the loop from the last video, and some others will be in there. Yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. See you in the next one. Peace.